Hi, welcome to my another tutorial. Today I want to share how you get paid $5 for watching a video easily from any corner of the world. You can do it any types of hesitation or investing money or any types of skill easily from home or on the other hand you can do it from any corner of the world. Step by step I want to share. So before starting this video, I cordially request to subscribe my channel and click the bell button to get all types of notifications from here. And if you appreciate my videos, please like, share more and more with your friends and family members. And if you are new, wanna make money online just like this, and keep watching. So let's get started. Alright, this is the first website, and this is adfolk.us. adfolk.us. You can use this website to shrink or shorten any types of longest link for using on different types of platform for earning extra cash. This one is a search bar to shrink any types of link over here. If we come to this youtube.com, and I have searched on sustainable diet plan, there are lots of videos over here, and as you can see here, this one is man's diet plan to lose weight and easy and sustainable, and 42,000 views, and this one is 2.8 million views, and this one is also 5.3 million views over here. First of all, you have to choose that videos which have lots of views over here. So I have chosen this one from here, and I would like to open this one or play this video over here. And this one, the video, and just click on this share, and you will get this link from here, and you have to copy from here. So what should you do after that? And after come here, just paste the link over here and click the shrink button here, and the link will be shortened. I mean, this link will be more smaller. Alright, this link has been shortened, and just you have to copy from here and come to this. Come to this template number 1, and I would like to share another one. This will be very helpful to understand how much you will get paid from doing this type of work. If you come to this another website, you will get paid if anybody or if any visitor come to United States, you will get paid 6.60 to $8.58. On the other hand, if any visitor come from United Kingdom, you will get paid 5.30 to $6.89, and all over here. And as you can see here, you will get paid more and more. So first of all, you have to choose that videos which have more and more views. I have used these videos over here. Now I would like to share, I would like to choose another videos and open this one, and
there are a lot of
come to this video, just click on this share button over here, and then copy from here and come to this website, I mean at foc.us. just paste over here, and then click the shrink button over here, and then you have to copy from here, and this one you have to paste video number 2. So this is the best and easiest way to make a template. And now I like to get another videos from here. This one is 5.3 million, and I like to play. And just paste over here, and then just click shrink, and then you have to copy. Video number 3. Boom, this is the best and easiest way to make a template on a sustainable diet, and you can share more and more on different types of forums or different types of groups or different types of platform to click or to make a click on your particular posters. So how you will do it step by step? First of all, I would like to share a free forum.bodybuilding.com. This one is the best and easiest to achieve. Share your post on different types of categories, I mean exercise, healthy, fitness, etc. You're watching these total features about this forum.bodybuilding.com. This one is supplements, and there are lots of people over here, and they are posting this one and body fit, and this one workout equipments and exercise, and there are lots of posters and people are engaged on this platform here over here. So first of all, you have to choose the country from here, and then select Australia, India, Russian Federation, Brazil, Israel, United Kingdom, Canada, Japan. So first of all, I like to click on this over here, and then this country will be selected on your platform to post of your selected topic again and again. So your country settings have been saved on this platform over here. First of all, you have to click on this exercise. So this is the best and easiest way to provide or to share your link over here. And now I like to click on this exercise, and there are lots of people, as you can see here. Now what should you do after coming here? You have to be engaged by posting or by commenting or sharing their different topics. There are lots of topics on different types of categories over here. Deadlifting 101 in instruction videos, and this one is the bench from thread, strictly the fundamentals of the back squat. And if you click on this, and you will get this total features about this total. Alright, this is the video, and you can watch. There are lots of link over here, and what should you do? Come here, and you can provide the links what you have created on your Microsoft Word. So just click on this reply button here to provide the posters about supplement plan over here. First of all, you have to create an account on this platform, easily provide all types of information over here, and then you can engage with that groups or with the posters or platforms over here. So this is the best and easiest right now. You have to copy your template. This one, just pressing the right button of your mouse pointer, and then copy from here and come to this one, and then you can provide your template link, all the links over here. If anybody or any visitor of United Kingdom or United States, they will click on that video, I mean particular video over here. This one is first one link, I mean video link, second one, third one. If anybody want to know more and more, they will be able to click on that video, and it will be get paid. I mean, if anybody come to this United Kingdom, you will get paid $5.30 to $6.89, and from United States $6.60 to $8.58, and there are lots of countries over here, and you will get paid more and more by following these steps, step by step video from my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my videos. Till then, I could really request to subscribe my channel. If you didn't subscribe, please like, share more and more. If you don't have any knowledge on make money online, just click on this playlist to get all types of amazing videos from my playlist. So if you have any comment, please comment on my comment box. I am waiting for your believable comment. I'll catch you guys in my next video. Till then, take care.